I hope you've been enjoying my rendition of this unconventional Thanksgiving glam tablescape. Now, this tablescape is a part of a collaboration. I hope that you will go and visit all of my beautiful YouTube sisters, as well as all of those that are participating in this collaboration. Now, the co-hosts are Tammy, that's the Glam Queen of DIY, Stacy of Design and Style with Stacy, Candy, that's me, Tablescapes by Candy, as well as my other channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. Then there is the lovely Sandra of Levels of Style with Sandra, and then there is Shangie of Simply Shangie's Life. Now again, I've left links to everyone's channels in my description box, as well as the playlist, and I hope that you will go and visit the playlist today, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. If you're not a member of this channel and you love Glam Tablescapes, I hope that you will decide to subscribe. Also, again, I have a Glam DIY channel, and that is DIY Design by CCW. My newest channel is also the Glam Decor channel. Again, those links will be in the description box as well. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or wonderful night. Bye-bye.